always just a gardener. I am a mom and I do have a life. So I just thought today I would bring y'all along for physical therapy so y'all can see a little glimpse of my days. I just pulled up here at physical therapy. I'm about to go in here and work on my hip flexors and just the general mechanics of taking a step to help me walk when I am upright. Hopefully today I can get in the parallel bars. It looks like it's really busy here today, so I'm not sure, but let's get this done.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all want a ring. Yeah, we all want to be free. So show me what you got.
Y'all ever had a headache that you've taken something for, but it didn't really help, and then just throughout the course of the day, it has turned into a migraine? I've got one of those going on right now. But nonetheless, I had a really good physical therapy session. I am on my way home now from that. I got to get a lot done that I wanted to accomplish today, and I am very grateful for that. Also, I just want to let y'all in on just some information. I had started a new medication last week that has really just overall boosted my mood and most definitely my energy levels. I know y'all are new on this journey in my life with me, but I feel more like myself than I have in the last couple of years. And it just overall feels really great to be back to me and who I am. But I just, right now with this migraine, I want to get home. Well, I got to go pick my daughter up from softball camp, so I just want to go pick her up, get home, take my migraine medicine, and have a cup of coffee. But like always, I hope y'all like and subscribe and come back for more.